Yo people, what is up and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how we can get free gold and free money in Offroad Outlaws. Within a few simple steps, guys, it will all be possible, so don't have to worry for anything. Just make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. That being said, let's start the full process itself. So people, in Offroad Outlaws, you know that you need that gold and money to play the game the best way possible. So now you can see that I've got both free gold and free money in it, and I will show you each and every step on how you can get it on your very own. So make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Then open up any browser, but search for appspatched.com. Right there, you will search on this tab for Offroad Outlaws, guys. So here it is. Tap on the icon as soon as it pops out for you, and then enter your username in it. Then select the platform after that, and you can select the amount of the gold and free money that you want to receive in Offroad Outlaws. You can see right here that the progress is building up. 277 active users. Live activity feed says it all, guys. People know about this place, and so do we. Luckily for us, we will have from now on those free resources. But now we can watch a step-by-step tutorial for this last step that needs to be applied in order for us to get those resources. So what do you have to do right here? From this list, you will need to complete 2 apps, which will be from the official App Store, Google Play Store. Not only download them, but also Zap VPN, install plus open, or Copper, install plus register. Simple as that, guys. Read the description, do it that way, and that is how you complete it, 2 in total. Or you will have a faster alternative with the 2 questionnaires from the same list. They will pop up. It looks like this. So just make sure to open it up, follow up those instructions, and verify your mobile device. Answer anything, guys. It doesn't matter. What matters is that it is completed. And that is how you get free gold and free money in Offroad Outlaws. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everything was useful. If you have further questions, drop a comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.